Alright guys, I wanted to do a review quickly of our 16-foot diameter by 48-inch deep Intex XTR, which is the premium version of the Intex pools with the thicker liner, the more robust framing, and even the plastic joints here that resist rust and corrosion and things like that. Great pool. This one happened to come with the Intex, the ZX300 pool robot, which was included in the deal. What you got was the Intex pool robot, and you can see this one, not only is it a cool robot, but it climbs walls, which is really cool, and it scrubs the walls. It's a slow robot, but hey, I mean, it's really cool for something that's included with the pool. You also get the pump here. I'm going to show you that, and that's right here. I'll put the specs of the pump on the page right now below so you can see what they are. I think it's like 1,200 gallons per hour. I forget off the top of my head right now, guys, honestly, but it's a decent pump. It works good. I mean, I wouldn't mind it to be a little bit upgraded, to be honest, like one size bigger, but I can't really complain. You can see this guy's making the rounds here. So this pool has been fantastic. We've had it this is the second season now, and it's really holding up good. I'm going to show you some of the outside of the pool here. You can see it's got a little dirt on it, but really, I mean, there's really no fade in the color or anything, and it's really been excellent so far. So we've definitely got some leaks because we got a lot of overhang here, so we were always running the filter and the pumps and all that. So and another thing I wanted to show you is that we did upgrade here. I have a video, I'm going to link it in the description, on how to upgrade to the Hayward skimmer here. This is the Hayward skimmer, and you should definitely watch that video if you want to upgrade your Intex to a real skimmer, because it's a little complicated, and I go over all the parts in like really great detail. So this is how the robot hooks up here. This is the outlet, and there's a special piece they give you to hook the robot up. It's not the inlet that the robot hooks up with, it's actually the outlet. And this here, actually, guys, another product. Oh, we got a little beetle here. We're gonna get him out of the pool. This is another cool product. This is our pool ionizer, solar ionizer, and this helps reduce the amount of chlorine that you use, and it works fantastically. I'll actually link this video in the description too. This is a product that we've had for years, and I would not be without one of these if I have an Intex or really any pool at all, honestly. I'm gonna get to cleaning this pool now because we got leaves in here everywhere all the time. I hope you guys enjoy this. Another thing is, this is a ladder we purchased. The ladder that comes with the pool, they're really never that great, to be honest with you. I recommend always upgrading the ladder. Plus, we have a small deck that I built that really makes the ladder obsolete as far as usability. I actually have a video on this too. I'll put that in the description. So if you guys are bored, you check all these videos out and see how I've upgraded our pool and made it a little better, you know. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this, and I would definitely grab this pool with the robot. I think it's a great buy, and I think it's definitely worth it. The link is in the description. Thanks, guys.